Aloha, Callies! For any of you finding our channel for the first time, my name's Alyssa, and right now I'm doing travel vlogs from Hawaii. Today I'm gonna do like a full walkthrough of the condo we're staying at. We're staying at the Kuilima Estates on the North Shore of Oahu. It feels so amazing to finally be here and just enjoying the laid back atmosphere and just the sun, and the vibes are just perfect. It's been so nice, you guys. We've been getting lots of sleep. Nikki, I have been sleeping a lot. You'll be very happy to hear. Okay, so I'm just gonna take you guys on a full walkthrough of our condo here. My dad and my stepmom, they hosted this family vacation. Thank you so much to them for making this possible. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Again, we're staying at the Kuilima Estates. They're condos here on the Turtle Bay property, which is really great because we're walking distance from the resort. So here we are, we're on the second floor. Aloha, please remove your sandals, or as they say here in Oahu, slippers. So we are totally unpacked and moved in. And as you can see, the kids, they just got back from the beach. Hey, what's really nice about being on the second floor is we do have this amazing loft space. It's a little messy. Again, we have moved in, but there's 2 full beds here. This is kind of unsafe, so I would not stay in a 2-story unit here with any kids under the age of 7, because these are just decorative and they could pop out, and they're not the regulation 3 inches apart. So just be aware. Hi. The kids are loving having their own space. And you know how I picture this pad, it really feels like a surfer pad. It's a little rough around the edges, but it has like a ton of character. I could just imagine this hallway being lined with surfboards when surfers come to rent it. We're not doing a lot of surfing. We're just chilling at the beach and going to the pool, snorkeling. There's lots to do even if you're not a surfer. So here's the master bedroom. It's really lovely. It's really airy. There's a nice cross breeze, so the wind blows through here. The birds, you guys, are so incredible here on the North Shore. So look at right there on cue, there's a little bird. I don't know if you guys can see him there in the tree. His mouth's open. Is he sick? You okay, buddy? So that's really nice. Off this window, we're seeing a lot of neat birds, hearing them in the morning. It's beautiful. It's relaxing. The air is nice and calm and thick. I can't even say enough things about the atmosphere. It's so great. So here is the bathroom off of the master here. It's a shower stall, pretty basic, and a little vanity with a little bit of storage, and complete with a hula girl. They're everywhere. That's why I think it's a surfer pad. It just has that surfer pad dude vibe, you know. This particular unit's pretty well stocked, but they did not have shampoo, conditioner, soap. Fortunately, I did bring that. I'm so glad I did. In here, there is a television. We haven't used it, which is so nice. It's nice to just turn off all the screens and just chill, turn off the cell phones, the whole thing, which we've been doing a lot of. Really great. But if you want a television, they have it in this particular unit. Have a little bit of storage here. We've got more storage in here. There they are, matching Polynesian outfits from Walt Disney's Polynesian Resort. That's where we got these with Maui all over them. Love these outfits. So glad to have an excuse to wear them again. My dad and my stepmom took us out to Pounders. We definitely were rocking the matching Polynesian outfits. That was fun. And then down the hall here, we do have laundry, which is great. And they did have detergent. So we were gonna buy it on the island, but we didn't have to, which is so great. So just a stacked washer and dryer works pretty good. Here's the second bathroom. Nice and spacious. Aloha! And we did have to get some extra toilet paper. You know, we have made a lot of trips to Foodland. Actually, we love Foodland, so it's always kind of a fun thing to go to Foodland and see what we can find. If you guys are wondering, this hat, I actually found at La Superette, and it was only like $13 and it was perfect, and then I didn't have to travel with a giant hat. So there's just a bathtub, which the kids are enjoying, and then these are just the shampoo and conditioner I got from Target. And that's the bathroom, the main bathroom. For anybody here for my gluten-free content, because my daughter does have celiac disease, when I come to a kitchen like this, I'm very aware of the surfaces and utensils. So what I do, this section here is my gluten-free section. I did travel with Raleigh's gluten-free toaster, which is really come in handy because I'm telling you guys, it's been so hard to find food that is safe for Raleigh here on the island. So we did bring the toaster, and we have been able to find some gluten-free bread at Foodland, which is great. So I was getting a little worried when we first got here, but now we've got supplies. We've got some gluten-free pancake mix here, gluten-free granola. So we did find gluten-free stuff, thankfully. So over here, this is the gluten section because this is where their toaster was. So I can just assume there's a lot of gluten here. So this is where we put, like, Declan has hot dog buns. Like anything that might be gluten, I think that's all we have right now, would be over here. And just to keep it separate, I did also wash all of the silverware because I didn't trust that it didn't have cross-contamination. There was a lot of like crumbs and things in the silverware drawer. So I did wash all of this out and I wiped out the drawer. And then as far as like the kitchen utensils, I've been washing them really well or running them through the dishwasher before I cook for Raleigh, just to be sure that we don't have gluten in our food. Although I do think she did get some cross-contamination because Jessie bought this McCormick cinnamon and sugar mix, and I gave her some on her oatmeal, and then it occurred to me that anytime you mix spices that it could have cross-contamination. And sure enough, we looked it up and it's not safe for celiac. So we went and got regular just brown sugar and cinnamon at Foodland, and we've been using that. So I do think she got some, despite our best efforts, I do think she got some cross-contamination. We've got our oven and our stovetop. It's been working really great. A little microwave, some knives. We did make this really yummy brownie. It was a gluten-free brownie mix. There's this Hawaii's Best Butter Mochi brownie mix. So they have all these mochi baking mixes that are completely gluten-free. Is really good. It was a big hit, so that was pretty fun to find that. This has been really great. They have these stools here so I can just serve the kids at this countertop. It's been really convenient. Also a dishwasher, which is great because that just makes cleaning up that much quicker. So yeah, this unit's been awesome for us. We love the Polynesian tiki surfer vibes that we're feeling too. It's just really fun. It's like we're staying with family, really. They did leave an ice chest, which we have used. We've taken it down to the beach. The kids have been doing school, so they have their schoolwork out here. Because it's a school week, they're doing independent studies, so they just do that in the morning. They've been doing a really good job with their schoolwork. They have this television here, and they do have movies on demand, which has been really great. So if we just want to chill in the evening and let the kids watch a movie, we've been using this television. Wooden fish, giant wooden longboards that are just gorgeous, hanging and propped up over here. Really nice living space. So a lot of the family has been coming over to hang out over here. They have their little welcome binder here. You know, just like really chill vibes. Really enjoying this space, you guys. So excited to share some of this trip with you. We're filming as much as we can, but we're also taking a lot of time to chill and enjoy this time with family. Here is just the outdoor patio space, another place to chill. There's a lot of supplies. So all of these supplies were here. We haven't blown these up, but there's some blow up floaties. There were swimmies, which are perfect because I forgot to pack Raleigh's swimmies, and she's not quite swimming on her own yet. We've got lots of snorkel gear. We did head down to Sharks Cove, so I'll put a link in this video for that. More snorkel gear, fins. We've got a noodle for the pool, beach chairs. Got a couple boogie boards here. Lots of mats, which have been great because they're super lightweight. You just unroll them and lay on the beach. So lots of supplies for us. already here, which is great. A little drying rack for bathing suits and towels. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of our condo. We're just having so much fun and we can't wait to share more Hawaii travel vlogs with you guys. If you like this kind of content, definitely give this a thumbs up. Turn on those bells so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you soon in Super Cali land. Bye.